Hello, wonderful friends. So, hello, welcome back to my channel. How are we doing today? Wow, I just want to use this medium to say thank you to my old and new subscribers. You guys are really wonderful. Um, I don't even know how to thank you, but to be honest with you, I love you all. Okay, that today we have another interesting video I would love to share to my friends. Yeah, treating infections can be so annoying, sometimes can be so tiring. After taking some injection medication you still fall back after few days or few weeks. Well, I have this combo I want to introduce you to. This combo is going to help you clear off those chronic infections. And I want to tell you this, please, if you have a partner, you know what I mean, adults, those partner for that adult play, okay, you can't take it alone. You have to be taking it with your partner, because if you treat yourself without treating your partner, definitely you're gonna you're gonna get it back. Okay, so I will advise you to, whenever you're taking this combo, you should include your partner, so that two of you get cured immediately after taking this combo. So I always tell my friends, we are blessed with nature. Let us allow nature to take care of itself. I tell you, you won't regret it. It has no side effects. But if you're pregnant, you don't take this. If you are breastfeeding mother, you don't take this as well. It's just for single people, unless you can take it after breastfeeding or after delivery. Okay, so if you want to know about more about this, let's just follow me to the end of today's video. And if today is the first time of seeing my videos, hello, you're highly welcome to the family. This is Only Natural. We discuss only natural things to help us. Okay, yeah, we need to live long, we need to live healthy, we need to enjoy our life here on earth while it lasts. So just follow me to the end of today's video and you will regret it. Okay, so let's get into the video properly. Love you. Okay, darling, the first ingredients here I will be needing is my ginger. Ginger is very good in fighting infections. It is very good antibiotic. So I'm gonna dice it so it will fit into this container. You know, the mouth is small, and dicing it is gonna help you to ferment more. Okay, but if you're using a bigger container that can contain it this way without dicing it, without cutting it pieces into pieces the way I'm doing it, fine and beautiful. But if you're using container stuff, you have to dice it like this. Okay, yeah. Like I was saying before, ginger is very nice. This is my bitter cola. So it's not yet time for me to add it. Okay, so I'm gonna dice it into smaller form because I need it to ferment and I need it to fit into the container I am using. Okay, all right. Alright, I'm done doing the dice. I'm done cutting it in a smaller sizes the way I want it. The next thing I will be needing, or the next thing I'll be dicing, is my bitter cola. I'm using just two. This is depending on the quantity of ingredients you are using. Okay, if you're preparing it in a large quantity, definitely you will need more than that. Okay, so it is an eye measurement that I'm using for this particular procedure. Okay, so after, can see that bitter cola is a bigger type of it. So if you are using the smaller type, you can use like 3 or 4. Okay, just use your eye to measure it. Bitter cola is good in fighting infections, and it is good for the men also. All right, then the next thing I will be needing is my turmeric. You can see my turmeric and my garlic there. I'm still gonna dice them in a smaller portion so it can fit into the container that I am gonna use to soak this. Okay, all right, darling friends, like I was saying before, you should take this with your partner. Don't treat infection just alone. And tomorrow you meet that the same partner, definitely you're gonna get infected again. Even if you want to use the other injections like or other things, please make sure you include your partner, okay? And then another thing I wanna tell you, you should avoid multiple sexual partner, because you may not know where you got yourself infected. Okay, you should avoid this. If you know those ones are trustworthy, you can as well treat all of them. So it depends. Now, after cutting, I found out that the container won't be enough, so I'm gonna use the bigger container. This is Eva water, the biggest size, 150 cl Eva water. I just emptied the water. You can as well use another water that you trusted. Okay, so after emptying it, I'm gonna fill in the already chopped ingredient. How will I put it? So after adding everything, the next thing I'm gonna add is my garlic. You can see it's a smaller type. It's not the big ones. If not, I would have cut it just like others. I would have diced it like others. So you have to put everything in there. Yeah. Now the list, and the last but not the least, is my bunny. You can see this. You can see the spelling there. You can get this from any shop that sells herbals or spices. Remember what I used? I used ginger, garlic, turmeric, bitter kola, and the last one here is what I'm putting. That's my bunny. You can see the spelling there. I don't know what you call it in your native language. It is very nice in treating infection. Okay, it is very nice in treating infection. You still have to put everything, every one of them, inside the container, inside your container. And then, yeah, you can see it. Then you have to pour in water in it. You can see for about 5 ingredients. If you have gloves, you can add your gloves. If you don't have gloves, no problem. Now after putting in water, this is what I got. I'm gonna keep this for a period of 3 good days for it to ferment and give me what I wanted. I'm gonna be taking it short morning and evening. Okay, yeah, morning and first in the morning and lasting in the night in fact, until I achieve my desired results. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.